You know when I dyed this hair with this bright color, you could not see the color. As fate to have it, my hair did not turn out this color. Hopefully my hair doesn't fall out sharp because like I'm knowing you my whole life. Nobody could tell me your dog was Everybody knows that mommy I know they lie. I'm filming video by 7 a.m. So productive.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esohe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's so lovely to have you. First of all, I don't know if you can tell, but I literally just woke up. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning. I just have to do this and get it out of the way so I can do other things today. I would like to state that what I'm about to do is spontaneous and impulsive, so I will look cool, but really not. It's very deliberate. So about a while ago, I dyed my hair. I dyed my hair this color, but as fate would have it, my hair did not turn out this color. Even though this was the brightest red I found in the beauty supply, my hair did not turn out this color. So when I did that, I left it like that for a while. It just tinted my hair a little bit. So I decided that before I went back to school, I was going to dye my hair again. So I went to the mall yesterday and I got these two colors. So I got these two colors yesterday at the mall. And last night I dyed my hair this color, and this is what it gave me. This is the color I got from dyeing my hair with this dye. I really don't know if I should be happy that the thing came out like this, but I also have this other box of dye, and I know that it's not advisable to dye my hair twice, like in a short period of time. But first of all, my hair already relaxed. Second of all, if anything happens, I can just cut it off. So I'm going to dye my hair again. Hopefully this color gives me more pigment because I'm really tired of all this hair dye and the First things first, you are supposed to turn the colorant. I'm going to turn the dye into the developer and then shake it and then start dyeing your hair. So let me do that right now. Let me say a quick prayer so that this will look up because I'm actually scared. Okay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to turn this into this. Turn everything into it. And then okay. So yesterday while I was dyeing my hair, I did not use the gloves that came with the pack. So my hands became So today, to avoid that type of wahala, I'm going to be using the gloves today. I've worn my gloves. Even though this one is not entering, but I've worn my gloves. Dye my hair again. I hope this one comes out good because I'm actually tired of this process. The fact that I will have to go and wash my hair again. Okay. Hopefully my hair doesn't fall out sharp because there's a lot of chemicals. But they said it's ammonia free. So, and they put on the box. Let me show you. Yes. Natural and multi-dimensional color for women of color. And I am a woman of color. A woman of color. So, to get the dye evenly in your hair, you're supposed to section your hair and then start applying the dye. Let's get into it. I just hope that this thing doesn't even turn my hair even darker, because the only reason why I'm adding this color is to give it more pigment. This is shea butter. I supposed to apply shea butter as if you're going to relax your hair so that it doesn't get on your skin and like irritate your skin and stuff. I forgot to do that. I'm filming video by 7 a.m. So productive. Productive queen, period. If this hair doesn't come out right, a lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared here. And I'll name them. Me.
Is not when you jump from 6 foot to 5'10". A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people will be scared, and I'll name them. Nella.
I don't die. God, this thing not come darker than it is. I'll let it cry. I will cry. You know when I dyed this hair, with this bright color, you could not see the color. As in, can you see how red her head is? You could not. But when I use this one, that is like literally dark brown, it was showing. Can you not see the color of my hair? Moral of the story: cream of nature dye. Please don't buy it. Okay, this people may sponsor me in the future. Buy cream of nature dye. I read somewhere online that when you're dyeing your hair, don't pack it up. And me, ever since I've been dyeing my hair, I'm packing it up because I don't want it to like disturb my face or something. I'm not gonna pack it up this time around. No. The internet is always right. I'm knowing you my whole life, Nobody could tell me your dog was, Everybody must say, oh mommy, I know they lie. Okay guys, so I've done the front part. I want to do the back part off camera. Then I'll come back when I'm done the entire head. Okay. So guys, I put dye all over my head. Even though I could not see the back. So I'm going to try again. At the back, I just put on my hand and I run it through the back corner. I cannot see anything. Let's put this thing on my eyebrow. Let's see what happens. So guys, you're supposed to like put your hair, like wear something on your head after you've like put the dye in it so that it's really saturated. So I have a plastic bag on my head, I have my bonnet, and I have the scarf so that there'll be a lot of heat on my head. So let's hope this thing comes out. People in the comments will be praying, even though by the time you watch this video I've already finished. But you guys follow me on TikTok. I'm really very hilarious on TikTok. So yeah, let me just entertain you. So my TikToks have been TikToking.
One thing about me, if it's on my chest, I'ma get it off of me.
I don't care if you're Beyonce or Lady Gaga. If you shout at me in public, oh, I'm kind
You send me $40 million. Something ain't adding up here. 2 + 2 = 4. But this equation seems a bit off. But you like me? What about me?
So guys, I forgot to record an outro, but this is what my hair ended up looking like. I like how the pigment was like so bright. It turned out pretty good, and yeah, I recommend this dye. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.